Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup in Toca Boca step by step. Start by opening the kitchen, choose fresh tomatoes, and place them on the counter. Chop tomatoes into even pieces, set a pot on the stove, and add oil. Simmer with herbs until soft, then blend until smooth. Season to taste and serve in a bowl with a garnish for a cozy, kid-friendly dish. Begin by arranging ingredients within easy reach and turning on the stove control. Use the safe plastic knife to chop tomatoes evenly, then move pieces into a pot. Add a splash of oil, a pinch of salt, and a few chopped herbs. Stir gently as the tomatoes heat, watching the color deepen and the aroma rise. Keep the pace relaxed and playful to enjoy the virtual cooking experience fully. On another note, quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for fun cooking playlists while you play. It's compact, easy to use, and adds a lively soundtrack to your Toca Boca kitchen sessions. If you like background tunes or voice controls, this little gadget is a great fit. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once tomatoes are soft, lower the heat and let them simmer to concentrate flavor. Use a ladle to transfer warm chunks to the blender, secure the lid, and pulse until smooth. Return the puree to the pot and warm gently while checking thickness. Add water or cream for desired texture and taste for seasoning with salt and herbs. Serve in a bowl and encourage playful garnishes like croutons or basil leaves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.